Hi, I'm Annalisa from Clearwater, Florida. I've been diagnosed with bladder cancer. Will I lose my bladder? And if my bladder is removed, how will I urinate?
Annalisa, that's a good question. So how we treat bladder cancer really determines on the stage and grade of bladder cancer. For certain superficial types of bladder cancer, we can just remove the tumor itself and leave and preserve the bladder. However, with advanced bladder cancer, oftentimes removing the entire bladder, called radical cystectomy, often affords the best chance for a good outcome and can afford a cure as well. However, with the bladder removed, reconstruction of the urinary tract is necessary, and we usually use pieces of either small or large intestine for reconstruction. There are various types, some involving bringing a piece of intestine to the abdominal wall and draining the urine through a bag. The other types do not have a bag. One type is called a neobladder, where we recreate a new bladder and then you void almost normally like you did before the surgery. A second type is a catheterizable bladder, in which every time you need to empty the bladder, you place a catheter through a small opening on the skin surface to drain the bladder.